Hey, what's going on guys? Rookie Smasher and welcome back to another video. So, I'm back for another tech video and today I will show you how to use a stepper motor. This is like a big version of a servo motor. It is used in 3D printers and things which need a lot of torque. Also, you will need the driver board of the stepper motor. This comes with the stepper motor itself, and this is a low cost stepper motor. The people who are beginning to use stepper motors and don't know how to use those, you can buy this one. The link will be in the description. And also, as usual, you will need a Arduino Uno board and some jumper cables. I have some laying around here and you can use those. So now let me tell you the corrections and I will be right back. Okay, first things first, let me connect the stepper motor to the driver board and it's done. Now you will need 6 jumper wire cables. Those are from the input pins and from the, as you can see, the voltage pins. For example, in 1, in 2, in 3 and in 4, these are the input pins and these are the power pins, plus and minus. You can power it using 5 volts to 12 volts, not more than that, or the circuit will burn. Okay, so the first connection goes from in 1 to 8. All the connections will be listed right over here somewhere. You can just read those and do the connections. So let me just do that and I will be right back. Okay, so now all the connections are done. All the input pins are connected and the power pins are also connected. Don't connect the positive pin of the board to 3.3 volts and say it doesn't work. You have to connect it to 5 volts or else the driver won't respond. So now the next thing is connect the power cord to the Arduino Uno board and connect the other end to your laptop or PC USB port, and then upload the program, which will be in the link in the description. You can just click on the link and it will open a Google Drive folder. You have to download it and open it up and you will be able to use it. So now let me just head on to the software part. Okay, so now I am on the Arduino IDE software. The first line is #include stepper.h or include the stepper.h library, which is pre-installed on the Arduino IDE software. You don't have to download it. The next line is define steps 2038 and stepper steps 8, 10 and then 11. So this line, third line, is just the connection part, and over here it defines the word steps as 2038, a number. In word setup we have nothing because we have nothing to run once. In void loop it says stepper.setSpeed 6. So the number 6 is the RPM of the stepper motor. Again it says stepper.step 2038, and for your information 2038 is a number. If written, the stepper motor will make a full circle. So if you want to make 6 circles, 6 rotations, you have to multiply the number 2038 6 times. Sorry, 2038 6 times, and if we write the number over here, it will make 6 rotations in 1 minute because the RPM is 6, and you can even increase it. Again, give a delay of 1 second or 1000 milliseconds, and stepper.step minus 2038, or move in the anti-clockwise direction and come back to the starting point, and delay of 100 milliseconds, and this will go on again and again, and the motor won't stop until the power goes off. Okay, so the uploading was successful, and as you can see, the LEDs have turned on. So each of the LEDs represent coils. So this is A, B, C and D. So whenever one LED turns on, it means that it is powering a certain coil for making the stepper motor move. That's why so many wires are sticking out of it. Now as you can see, the stepper motor, it will stop right over here and it's going back again. So basically this is going in clockwise direction and stopping at a point and again coming back anti-clockwise direction, and that is how it works. You can use those if you are making some homemade projects and all, which require a strong motor which gives a high torque, And as I told you, this is a basic stepper motor. It is very cheap, available in the market. The link will be available in the description if you want one. It's on the Amazon site. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to leave a like, share and subscribe and ring the bell. And I will see you dudes next time.